Yo, what's up everybody, it's Pixels, and today I'm going to show you how to make a new application center for your Roblox game. We all know that Terabyte Services has been destroyed, but that's where My Center comes in. My Center is an application creator that is currently in beta. Today I'm going to show you how to maneuver it to make your own application center. But before we start, I want to make a huge shout out to Oliver, the one who informed me about the application center. Be sure to join their Discord, which is found in this video's description. There you can say hi to Oliver, get help with any questions you have, and see upcoming updates for My Center. Now, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to the website in the description that reads mycenterRBLX.com. Click on that link and it will take you to the application website. First thing you want to click on is Let's Get Started. After this, you want to fill out all the information. It won't ask for your Roblox password. Once you do that, you'll be on this screen. Once you're here, you want to click Create under Centers. Now put in the name of your application and put a brief description of what the application center is used for, such as a job application or an order form. After this, it will ask you to add a script to your Roblox game. Once it gives you a script to add, do the following. After you do this, you can publish the game and exit Roblox Studio. After you do this, click Finished, and now you can add an application. Click Create Application and name it and add a description. I would add the rule must be in group. After you make the application, click Manage. Here you can add your group ID found in your search bar on your Roblox group. After this, go back and click Edit App. Once you've done this, you can add questions. Once you finish making the questions, click Save. After this, the website automatically adds the finished application to your game. Thank all of you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Join my center's Discord again to say hi to Oliver and do all of that. If you have any other questions, you can ask them there. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.